Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you are tuning in. My name is Rachel Goldsworthy, and I am on a journey to improve my life by 2 millimeters each and every week, and I want to do that with you. How are you? How is everybody tonight? Are you well? Are you rested after the weekend? I certainly am. With this colder weather, I'm inside baking and doing all sorts of things that I've never done before, but it's all fun and games, isn't it? Lionsgate Portal, how did you all go? I wrote all my bits and pieces down on my diary, and then I wrote down what I wanted and put it out to the universe. It's in my, I keep them in my wallet, and then I'll see what happens next year, and hopefully something will happen for you as well. I've been told I've got to keep these to 10 minutes because that's the upload amount of time. So I'm going to watch the clock carefully tonight and see if I can do that. I don't know whether I'll be able to, but I'll certainly try with you. All right, in full disclosure, my habit tracker, I thought it was an amazing exercise because of the fact that when I do the habit tracker, I'm looking at it going, yes, I'm doing this, yes, I'm doing this, yes, I'm doing this. And then when I actually look at it, I go, there's a few gaps in there. But, on the whole, when you look at it, it actually reminds you of all the things that you are doing, which has been a really positive experience for me. As much as there's a lot of things that I'm not doing, I'm doing a lot of things that I wasn't doing before. So that makes it even better. The other thing that I like to do too is that daily journal of just one line as to something that's going really well for you, because it's on those moments, on those days that you get you might have a flat moment for whatever reason, and then you can go back to this and go, oh yeah, that happened yesterday. Oh, and the day before this happened, and that was really amazing. Oh, I had lunch with my friends here. That was really good. Oh, I sold a house 50% over what I thought I was going to sell it for. Oh, I caught up with my family doing family photos, or some of the things, I completed renovations on a house that I was doing and we've sold that one successfully. So, some amazing results you can go back through, and even catching up with, family and friends, whatever it might be for you. It might be having coffee with yourself during the day or on the weekend, or having a quiet moment to read a book, or, just anything that you might find yourself doing, and you catch yourself doing something really good. Because how often do we do that? We catch ourselves doing something, and that talk that we have going through what we're at or where we're at. And when you have something like this, it just reminds you, it's like, you know what, I'm doing okay. I got this. So, and then the habit tracker has been really good because, as I say, it's just reminding me of the little things to tick off each day. And the sleep patterns have been really good too, because I can sort of see as to where that's going and what's happening. So Lionsgate Portal, make sure you've got two last nights. Probably not as powerful as the 8th, but certainly you've got until the 12th to make those manifestations, make those statements to the universe, whatever it is that you've got going on. You can actually go and do that either tonight or tomorrow night. Write it on a piece of paper, your intentions, as though you've already achieved it, and attach the emotion to it. So it's not, I will be happy when, because when I did the exercise, I realized I'm really happy in my lot and what I have now. So as much as we all want for other things, I think if you want for other things, that comes from a place of lack, and I've done that in the past too. Whereas now I'm looking at it from a place of, this is where I'm at. I'm really grateful where I'm at. And you can work towards other things in your life with whatever it is that you may be doing. Talking about working towards what you're doing, exciting news. Daffodil Day's coming up. I got my little thing in the mail. I'm going to go for a dip. I don't know. Those of you might come with me. I might do a little live. Oh, I think this is the cap that I've been given to wear by Daffodil Day. Look at it. Can you imagine what it's going to look like when I put it on my head? There we go. I'm going to go in the water like this. Go for a swim. That's going to be fun, isn't it? So Daffodil Day is going for a cold plunge for a cause. So that's what I'm all about. Just doing good things, good fun things, whether it's with family or whether it's with friends. You can see on this picture, everybody's having a lot of fun in the swim. So I'm trying to raise $1,000 for that one. So I'll pop in the link as to what we've got. And I think by the end of the month, we'll get there. It's a slow start. I think we've got $55 at this stage, but I think that we will get there going for our dip. Also, Scottish Terrier Club on the weekend. I had a great day with my parents, and big shout out to the Scottish Terrier Club, Leanne and everybody for organising what they did. Cindy, Susie, the whole team, and the Westie Club were involved as well, and the Westie Club being the West Highland White Club, and as opposed to the Westie Club, which we're probably all a part of anyway, as well, being in the location, physical location that we are. And I got this great thing from them. I don't know whether it says, where is it? I don't know whether I can get it out of the little reveal. Shouldn't do that with your teeth, but I'm going to do it anyway. Look at that. Danger. Property protected by Scottish Terriers. Yes, I loved it. And it was in corporate colours too, which was even better, which I love that. And also big shout out to Cindy. She made this scarf. I'm going away in the coming months, and I'm going to need it where I'm going. The cold Arctic, I think that will serve me well. And corporate colours as well, with a little bit of green thrown in for whatever it might be. So there we go. We have corporate colours there. And the other thing is, thank you, big shout out to Vanessa. A lot of our clients drop in some beautiful presents for us, and really, I know you guys are dropping these presents off for me because you think we're doing a good job, but I really appreciate being part of your household and what we do each and every day. I think people ask me what I do for a living, and I think I've said many times, if you love what you do, you don't feel like you work a day in your life. And that's essentially what I do. Yes, we all have good days. Yes, we all have not so good days. But I've always been that Pollyanna, and if you focus on more of the positive stuff going on, and the negative stuff will eventually go away, or it will sort itself out, or you can manage that process as well. So, but part of that, I got a present. Big shout out to Vanessa and everybody from the Strata Plan. You know where you are at Richmond. Thank you very much. They sent me for my birthday a bath brew. Now, everybody knows that I love cold plunges, so that would be an ice bath, or it could be a warm bath with some nice Epsom salts or whatever it might be. And that certainly helps you recover with your body. I'm on 7 minutes. I've got 3 minutes to go. I think I'm going to get there, people. So this bath brew was given to me. The contents of it, I've got to read this out to you. It says Riverstone Bath Brew, and it invokes a natural healing quality in the Australian river. How lovely is that? And it's got, what is it, Epsom salts in there. There's organic bits and pieces, tea tree, I don't know, a bunch of stuff. Grapefruit, pink grapefruit, rosemary, fennel, juniper berry, carrot seed. It's got it all. So if anybody wants a bath brew, it has a clay, like a bentonite clay. It's really good for detoxing. I love an Epsom salt bath for your muscles. It's just a nice relaxant for your muscles. And this is just a great way to relax. I sometimes do it on a Friday night or a Saturday night after a big week at work, and it just sort of takes you down a notch after you've sort of go all week, and then you just want to relax and be in your own space. So a bath brew, it's a local product, I believe, so you can get those locally if anybody wants to know where to get it from. As again, big shout out to Vanessa and the Strata Plan. Thank you very much for sending that through. I appreciate you just as much as you appreciate all of us doing your strata work for you. What else have I got to share with you? I think that's about it, really, people. So Lionsgate Portal, don't forget to go and do that. Follow that dream for whatever it is that it's going to be for your year ahead. I've got some exciting things in the pipeline that I'm working on, and I'll keep you updated. I'll also check with my habit tracker by the end of next week. I'm hoping that there'll be a few more things filled in, but I'm also not going to be too hard on myself that I haven't done every day, filling in all of the boxes, because it's not about filling in all of the boxes. It's about enjoying the journey and being present in each moment that you're on this earth, whatever that may be that you are doing, whether you have children, whether you have fur kids, whether you have work, whether you have family life, it doesn't matter. Just as long as you're enjoying what you're doing, the people that you're doing it with, and we're on here for a short time. So really get into things, really do things. I hope that didn't cover up my microphone. I don't know whether it did or not, but anyway, where is my microphone? Oh, it's down here somewhere. There we go. I don't even know whether you've heard any of what I've said today. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. Hopefully you did, and hopefully I haven't been talking muffled the whole time. Maybe this is better now. Anyway, I hope you and your family look after yourself this week. Don't forget Lionsgate Portal. It is a big one. So put your manifestations out there. I hope you a wonderful week ahead. I'm going to do my Daffodil Day dip. And yes, all fun and games. All right. Have a great week, everybody. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I look forward to catching up with you on the next video. Bye for now.